Pro Wrestling Revolver. Swerve been a busy boy since the last time I was there in Iowa. You know, between doing all my music mogul stuff, you know, winning championship gold here in AEW. Oh, that's right. The last time I was there, I threw Rich Swann off a scaffold through a table. Now, why? That's for me to know, for you to find out. Now, September 17th, I'm going to be returning to Iowa for Tales of the Ring. But you think I'm going to be showing up alone? No, I don't trust Swann or Palmer. So, I think I'm going to bring me some hope. Limitless.